farming can be difficult and demanding, but there was no greater challenge than when Linda's son Leonard took his own life last year.
It was so unexpected, and it was even more so because he knew people who had done it, and we often had the conversation from him. He didn't understand how anyone could ever do it, so it was a total shock.
The mental well-being of farmers in the UK has been steadily deteriorating over the past 3 years. A study from the Farm Safety Foundation found almost all farmers under the age of 40 said poor mental health is one of the biggest hidden problems facing them today.
The family farm nowadays isn't there. People are working longer hours, more isolated, and it is so easy to just be sat on a tractor all day or milking a herd of cows and you're not seeing anybody.
Having farmland can be rewarding, but the changing political landscape combined with supply chain issues and spiralling costs has made it physically and mentally very challenging.
Deep down, there is a number of farmers that struggle with mental health. But for me, over that time, for 4 years before I actually make it very public that I suffer with mental health, I had no idea who to go to. That's no one's fault. That's just how the world was.
It can be difficult to recognise the signs and symptoms of someone struggling with their mental health. But Linda and Andy are trying to change that. So what's driving you then, Andy?
Passion. It's literally passion. Unfortunately, I've lost my son. I've worked all my life to leave what I hope was a legacy for him. And where I'm at now, the legacy I can leave for my son is to make a difference.
Talking to people and doing things in his memory and trying to make a difference has kept us going, kept me going, certainly.
As an industry, it's clear change is needed to encourage better mental health for younger farmers. This is one place that's trying to break those barriers. Bradley Harris, 5 News, Stockton.
Well, if you or anyone you know has been affected by poor mental health or even thoughts of suicide, you can find help and support from the charity Samaritans, and their details are on the screen right now.